working for the past 91 years of your life. Now I got back up. If they turn one name, I'm not to look at it. When they mean soup or non lock and another. Well, the truth of no name. You can see all of us, you can touch us, you can feel everybody. Man, no, many. If only three people are. Oh, is going to sing. Yes. I'm not going to go now. Other can now I'm link. No, I know you can. It is a thing of joy. I believe it. And they're going to sing another star. Yes. If you see Chukwe, oh, my God, go to Revolution. They do not sing it. Number 2, equal the second stanza of that song. Come and go back, uncle. Come back, uncle. And you gave your reason. Makanango na baki iti. Tupizo na bo na mo. Omeriko bonko. Onye nwele welu ya we sie nne. Good. But here is the difference. Mananku na tungenge. Arokora lo ni afu. You see.
Video.
Now, if from a cheap we are going to go back and go 34 I can attract 9-1, and you are 91 years today. In what, by what standard will be considered very good and healthy life? In what, by Nigerian standard, will be called nothing short of a miracle? Yes. The last time we checked it, life expectancy in Nigeria about 55 years. You are 91, almost double the figure United Nations as the life expectancy in Nigeria. Mother sim no miracle. I'm not for it is miracle.
Yes, sir.
Yes. And since in the only 91, Madonna can 91 to start with. Madonna can 90 years. Since in the 4 people that reached your age, and we're going to follow them as strong, as healthy, as so articulate. I could come to your house and you stand up and greet me and embrace me. Ndi je etu ahụ, ndị rugo 90 years dị etu ahụ, agọzi nnukwu. I got to honor. You are 3 years older than my father. My father is 88 years old. You are 91. And my fear is only because he's still strong and stands well. He's a retired teacher. But you are 91. And I think you are even stronger than him. And you're 91. So, if you are going to go to one gang, yes. Or if I get you waking, no so police is going to start. On I can do this, and I get you a so no one way, come on, so. This time you can yell on one way to come. People have told me a lot of things about you. Took my place to take it. But I love your song so much. And like I told you, I'm not exaggerating. I can sing all the ones I know. Every one of them. And it gives me so much joy singing with you. You are the best musician I have ever known. And I am so proud to have you, a man of Igbo extraction, my own brother. I am so proud. You a lot of things about you. And somebody said to me, the interpretation of Igbo, no, now we catch up with the Guamacan to get Kakakuze and Kali winner. I have encountered you, and I forgot me here to do so. It will be very easy for anybody to forget even all the things you have sung because of your life. It's like an open book for everybody to read. I am very proud to be associated with you. I'm happy I made you alive. That I didn't come to celebrate mass at your funeral. I am here to no fair boogie. It's a jamu manand. If I am for the corner in it. Remember you said that. You are such a very wonderful person. No, I can't do this. I'm just so proud to join in celebrating you today. I will also make this celebration. I may not come. I've been invited to so many birthday ceremonies. I didn't go. I didn't feel it was necessary to go. Not that I'm not wishing them well, though. I will stay in my house and pray for them and wish them well. But I will not go for all the pump and pitch and all the war, all the so support and also some American chats and on Facebook, you know, in their little pages. My name is Cabo, you roll out the drums. You are just here with your family and friends. And I'm celebrating this mass. It makes me proud. And I'm more comfortable in an environment like this. Yes. Now, finally, gentleman, Mike Ejaya. I love addressing you that way. And I like that title. As you know, mistake and joy. Why you decided, or for all the titles in this world, to choose gentleman? There are so many musicians in Nigeria, many of them of Igbo extraction, that choose a lot of titles. A very common title in Igbo land is chief. Oh, can you see no one I can know? May I have change another chief now? So I'm one chief. If one family chief and say chief by chief. Of one no neighbor and men. Onye na-elu MC wee na-akpafa ndị mmadụ wee kpafịa otu kwukwu ebe ahụ ejikwa mikrofon kpafịa o nwoke mee ntị ọnụ gị afọ ọkpụkpata ọzọ si biko onye bụ na onye na-eto anọ ya bịa were isi oche nwoke n'ụlọ onwe n'ebe ọ nọ ofu nke nwunye ọzọ na-akpọ nwekwu mmadụ na-agbụ nwa ha ebe a na ọkwa maka na-akpọ ebe a mgbe afọ wee kwụrụ ụkwụ na anị dragging his feet wee jekwu onye afọ na-eme ya bụ MC